welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. I'm going to start by breaking down my last Easter tablescape because I'm moving on to spring, honey. Today I'm participating in the Home Decor LUXE Club Clothes Collab, the Veda Squad, and we are bringing you decorating inspiration every Saturday in the month of April. Links to all of my co-host channels will be in my description box below, as well as a link to the playlist. So I'm starting off with a color change, just like I did a color change in the other areas of the house. And if you haven't seen those videos, I'll make sure to link them in the description box below. So I ordered these chair covers on Amazon, and they are a very soft, velvety velour in a turquoise color, and I just love this color that I'm using for spring. It is so springtime fresh and beautiful. So once I've put on all the chair covers, I am going to start laying my tablescape. These placemats I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm laying them down the center of the table to use as a runner. Next, I'm gonna come in with some beautiful lacy edge chargers that I picked up at Hobby Lobby some time ago. I'm using Dollar Tree plates and some dessert plates that I already had on hand. Next, I'll be coming in with some beautiful glassware and glass coasters that I thrifted. Honey, they were a deal. I got 6 of the wine goblets to match, and they only came with three of the coasters, unfortunately, but I got them for a steal. And these beautiful twisted goblets I also thrifted, and they were $1.99 for a set of 4. As my centerpiece, I'm using this, I believe it's a lampshade, but I'm using it as a pedestal bowl centerpiece in the middle of my table. And I'm gonna give that some height by placing it on a riser. Crystal candlesticks, white candles, and that is it. This tablescape is done. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it gave you inspiration. If you haven't done so, I would love it if you became part of the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and it's easy. Simply click on that subscribe button and baby, hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. you enjoyed this video today, please give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And visit the playlist and drop in on all my beautiful, talented YouTube sisters and see what they have created for you. And I'm sure you will be inspired. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time.